Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Java Beam and this is Satya. In this video, I am going to explain you Java 15 new feature text blocks. Java 15 has recently been released on 15th September. It is good to know about the new features as a Java developer. What is the text blocks? What is coming into your mind when you see text blocks? Is it a block like a try block or catch block or something more precisely static block or instance block? Do you think is it like a text block is a block which has been introduced similar to static blocks? No, text blocks are not like a blocks. These text in the sense it's a string in Java. So string if it is coming in a multiple lines, that is considered as a block in Java 15 and it will be treated in a different way. Like normal string which is included in double quote and text blocks will be have a different notation. We will see with a real-time example in IDE. Let me go to the what are the advantages. Text block is a multi-line string literal and avoids the need most escape sequences, automatically formats the string in a predictable way. So using the text blocks we can avoid the escape sequence. Let's say in string, if is there any double quote coming in between the text, we need to escape that double quote to avoid the compile error, so that we can we can remove that issue and we can go with without any escape sequences in text blocks, and it gives developer control over format when desired. And it was a preview feature in Java 14 and now it is a full-fledged feature in Java 15 as part of Java language. Let me go to Eclipse and we'll see. Let's say I have one email I am composing. So how it look like? Hi, and it is something like welcome to our channel, and here I am closing. Yeah, this is my email composing. So to write multiple lines in Java 14 and previous versions, I need to write like this. Like each line I need to start with double quote and end with double quote, and I need to concat each lines like this string I am concatenating with this string and also this string. So every line need to be concatenated and each line should be started and ended with double quote, notating it is a string and it is a yeah, this is a problem. And let's say I am keeping like our channel, I need to highlight. How can I, if I keep one more double quote, will it allow? No, Java won't allow. Java compiler gives error. To avoid that one, we need to keep a escape character here and here as well. Like if one more double quote comes in between, let's say this also I need to be use escape character, escape sequence to avoid that compile error. These are the problems. If length of the mail it increases, I need to increase this number of concatenations. All these are the big issues. So in Java 15, these for these issues Java has given one solution. Let me go to Java 15. This is my Java 15 IDE. In Eclipse I configured JDK 15. Here here we can write something like this. I am composing mail similar to Java 14. Hi, welcome to our channel. I am giving my channel name in double quotes. Yeah, and something like this. So this is perfectly fine in JDK 15. This is called text blocks. Here we can avoid escape sequences by using triple double quotes. So we no need to put escape sequences, still is perfectly fine. Let me run this program and we will see the output. See, the output is perfectly fine, it is coming properly, and you can write as many lines as. This is a big advantage when you go with the Java 15 text blocks, where in Java 14 you have to use all concatenations and you need to double code in every line, and you have to use escape sequences. Yeah, this is how we write text blocks in Java 15, and this is the advantage. The issue which we are resolving is which issue we are solving is there are many things like we can avoid multiple line concatenation and each line appending. All these things we can avoid. Yeah, that's all about text blocks in JDK 15. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe my channel.